Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you if voice mode broke your mic. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is uninstalling voice mode. But I've done it in a way where I reset my microphone back to its normal settings. So what you need to do is make sure that you close voice mode with the X, and then once you've done, go to your taskbar and make sure you right click on it and then click on exit so you completely exit out of voice mode. Then go to your Windows icon down here. Type in uninstall and just go and add and remove programs. Once here, you want to search for voice mode. So just type in voice mode. And then uninstall it. So just click on install here, and we should uninstall voice mode from the computer. So now, once the voice mode is deleted and uninstalled, click OK. And we want to double check our sound settings. Go down here into the bottom right hand corner, right click on your speakers and open sound settings. Then you can scroll down here and you should look at your microphone. As you can see here, make sure that it's selected. And if you selected your microphone, it's still low, go to sound control panel, then go to recording, and here where it says microphone, you just want to disable everything. But your microphone is the default device. After that, restart your computer. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.